Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Tech Tips, and today we have with us the AmazFit Watch Lite, and we are going to install third-party watch faces on this watch. So, first of all, thank you for love and support in the watch faces third-party support for the Mi Band video, which you did really well. So, we are doing the same for this watch. As you can see right now, I have some custom watch face installed, and every month I change. Just probably since February, I'm using this watch. It's just amazing. Full review, you can definitely check out the card right here. And also this helped me to lose 15 kgs of weight loss. If you want full coverage on that, maybe we will upload it on the Hindi channel. Let me know in the comments down below. So first of all, it's simple. You need this app called AmazFaces. So this is the watch. Now this is actually a website where you can download the third-party watch faces. It's like a Google Play Store for watch faces. There's tons of them. And again, you can go to the website, download it, transfer it to a phone, or the best way is to just install the app and directly you can transfer the watch faces to your watch. I will show you each step by step. So first of all, definitely you need your Zep app or your MiFit app. I prefer Zep app. So make sure you install this, and of course you have probably using this watch you might have these apps. So first go to this app. Make sure you also install the AmazFit watch faces. So let's go ahead and connect a watch. Now you can see how beautiful the watch face is. Okay guys, so it's connecting. I don't know why it signed me out, but we are back. Now it's synchronizing the watch. And make sure you do every week because it synchronizes the GPS data. If you have any GPS related issue in your AmazFit watch, definitely check out this video. As you can see, today I have 4,000 steps. So make sure to go to the profile, go to your watch, which is Verge Lite. And now this applies to all the AmazFit watches. It should work with many of them. You can get the list on the AmazFit watch faces, of course. Go ahead and go to the discoverable and make sure you turn this on. This is a very crucial step. Without this, the app won't detect your watch. So make sure you just turn this on. Now this is a one-time stuff, okay? So once you turn this on, you go pair the AmazFit watch face app and then you can disable it again. Now you go to the AmazFit watch faces app, open it. Now it will ask you please select your AmazFit device. So as you can see, almost all the GTS, GTR, Verge Lite, Verge, Shadows, almost all it's supported. Even the Mi Band is in the list. So definitely you can use this app for the Mi Band as well. So let's go ahead and select our Verge Lite. And we have all the faces of Verge Lite. Now you can just go to this toggle and you get this grid layout, which is much better. Now you can also sign in. I will sign in with my account because I have some watch faces filtered out. Also, either you can register it, but I will just sign in because I already have account. Now you get all these watch faces. It updates daily. There's a plethora of it. And if you refresh it every day, you will get new watch face. I think this is cool, right? Let's select Verge Lite. There's some bugs in this app, so make sure it shouldn't bother you because there are many bugs. In fact, last week it was not working at all. I was not able to change watch face on my watch. I mean, the stock one is limited, so definitely you need third party one, but third party doesn't work sometimes. It's weird bugs, but otherwise most of the time it works. So I like this one. This is the Porsche one. So we're gonna hit download. We're gonna agree. Click OK. Again, we need to click download again. It's a bug. Now installation method is very important. So it shows disconnected because you need to select Zep or MiFit accordingly, and you can click start discovery. Okay, and it asks for location permissions. Make sure you give the permissions. And as you can see, it detected the AmazFit Verge Lite. So if you have not toggled that option discovery, it won't show up here. Make sure it's selected. As you can see, the MAC address has been arrived, and now you can just set on the watch. Now updates sometimes take a lot. Some watch faces which are heavy takes a lot time. And for instance, if it's stuck in between, it happens when it's stuck in between, it just shows shrinking on your watch. I would suggest you to wait for some time. If not, go to the Zep app and install a new watch face. Probably that's the solution. And just try again. Let's see if it works for now. Okay, install watch faces. It means it should work now because it says install watch faces, but it's still stuck here. As you can see, yeah, sync successfully. It took time, but it works. So have patience. If it's not working, wow, just see this, how amazing it looks. Porsche 16.7 You have the battery indicator, and rest of the features just work the way it is. So no need to worry about that. It's just the watch faces gets changed. Now I would suggest you to go just to the Zep app or the MiFit app and just turn this off. Now it should work without that as well. Now if you can definitely sign in with this AmazFit account, and as you can see I've already signed in, so I have my favorites and I have some good one listed. So if you want to try out, I love this one, which is a kind of Google Wear OS layout. It's nice as well. We also have the Fallout one, so let's try to flash this one. We'll say setup, just on watch. Now, as you can see, this is a very big watch face, so it takes plethora of time. So you must have patience for that. And talking about battery drain, I would say it's not much. Like with the stock and with the third party, I would say just 3 to 5% of different, and I think that shouldn't matter you because the battery life is already so good, 20 days.
2 hours later.
So guys, it seems it's stuck because it's a long while it's not working. You can give it a try, leaving it 5-10 minutes. But because we don't want to waste much time in this video, I'll also show you how if this happens, how you can cure it. So right now your watch won't be usable, as you can see. No worries. Go to the Zap app and just flash any watch face. As you can see, it's syncing. As you can see, it just failed and reverted to the stock one. So this will only happen once you try to install this one. As you can see, this is also stuck because it just failed. As you can see, because I think this is trying to still install. Yeah. So make sure you turn this off, and then you just sync the watch face again, and it should work. Okay. So now we are back to the stock one or the default AmazFit one. So now we can go ahead and install a new one. Now I have much in my favorites. A special one is I would say this, the Nike one, and this is also a really good one, right? So let's try something good here. So let's try this one. So we're gonna hit download. I'm gonna download the file first. We're gonna seek zip. So I think we need to, what is this? I don't know. So I need to restart the app. As you can see, it's full of bugs. It's full of bugs. So there's some. This is endless, right? It will keep on and on and on and on. And I have some favorites as well. So let's go ahead and let me install some of my favorites. This is the Google Fit one. I actually love this one. If I want to try out, definitely I will let you know. This simple and sober one, let's try this out. You can also select the installation method as low and fast. Let's try fast and see if it does works. That was fast. That was fast. But the installation isn't. The installation will still take same time. As you can see, install WatchFaces. Once this appears, it means you're good to go. If this is not appearing, you need to see the watch. You might need to again stock the default one again. And this Pip-Boy one was working earlier. I didn't like it much, but I don't know why it's not working. It's just a bug. It finally syncs successfully. Nice and simple, sober watch face. Amazing. So hope you like this video, guys. I will just show you the Google Fit one. I will try to leave the link of this if I get in the description. This is nice from a developer, and also you get some variants of it, like the remake one. So let's try the remake 3. Zep. Let's choose fast for now, and let's see how it works. So moment of truth, this is very nice. This layout comes, it means it should work. So that's pretty much for this video. Hope you like it. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the tech show if you aren't already. If you've already subscribed, make sure to hit the like button. Check out more videos, check out the AmazFit GPS fix issue. You can definitely check it out. And if you want like kind of a review with like how I lost 15 kgs with the help of this watch, definitely let me know in the comments down below. That would be only for Hindi channel. But as you can see, there's a lot of noise today. I don't know why dogs start barking and the car noise. So there you have it, the beautiful watch face. This is just amazing. This is the Google Fit. So everything matters to me. So let me show you the description here. If I go ahead, as you can see, red is pulse, which is max is 180. Blue is steps, green is battery. So red is pulse, blue is steps, green is battery. You also have a digital watch here, and analog one as well. This is my favorite one so far. That's pretty much for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.